OceanusBrass has developed a timeless, nautically inspired grooming instrument, the Stateroom Razor. Tied to the art and science of sailing and exploration, the Stateroom Razor captures the fearless spirit of the ocean for your modern lifestyle. Machined from solid brass, the Stateroom Razor was designed to withstand the test of time. A blend of modern engineering with the proven reliability of an iconic design. A precision-cut head spaces blade perfectly from skin. An anatomically designed handle provides a firm grip. Easy to replace steel blades make an eco-friendly experience. The iconic bow shackle is the statement piece of the Stateroom Razor, and the Stateroom Razor is the statement piece of your morning ritual. Not only beautiful and eye-catching, but functional, a reflection of you. Transform the act of shaving, a treasured ritual that starts the day. Elegance and precision are embodied in every component of the Stateroom Razor. Whether you're a sailor, an outdoorsman, or someone who appreciates quality, we believe you'll love the Stateroom Razor. The overwhelming success of our previous global campaigns inspired us to try our hand at something new, but we need your help. Please pledge for your Stateroom Razor today. Smooth sailing and smooth shaving await.